So we have started our journey to Madanapalle. The time is 2:30 now, so 3:30, 4:30, 5:30, 6:30, 7:30. I'm taking 5 hours. It's 150 kilometers. There's a little rain. Forecast also says rain. So we probably will take that much time to reach. We're going to go through a new road today. Follow me and let's see how this goes. Just stopped to put some petrol, and the petrol price has come down today. It was about 109 yesterday. Yeah, so it's 100 rupees today. So we have headed from Chandapura to Madanapalle and taking a new route. This route looks nice, lot of greenery and a lot of trees and lot of nurseries here. But the road is bad. The new road, a big thumbs down. Bad road. I don't know if we took the wrong route, but it was horrible. Finally, we have reached the national highway. Such a relief. After 2 hours of travel. Doesn't look familiar.
In 500 meters, turn right toward National Highway 75.
Okay, we are looking for a place to eat. Okay, we got Sri Ganda. Hope it will not be Ganda. Sri Ganda Veg and Non-Veg Family Restaurant. Okay. Just ordered for some chicken biryani. Hope it's good.
Each biryani cost 260 rupees and the chili chicken 255. Definitely not worth it.
So we finished our lunch and we're walking out of this Sri Ganda hotel. Not worth it. We finished our lunch and back on the road. 5 o'clock, 5 p.m. and look how it is, so scary. All dark clouds. Okay, so it started raining heavily. Apparently the rain is very heavy, so we have to change the direction. So we can't go in the road we were thinking. We'll have to go to Palamner and take a deviation from there towards Madanapalle. So on the way to Madanapalle now, we're finished with the highway. We're back into the normal roads and it's dark, pitch dark. The rain seems to have had mercy on us a little bit now. Slightly drizzling though. But it's dark. So we've reached Madanapalle, but the destination is Shanthinagar. That's about 5 kilometers from here. So after about 9 hours we have reached Madanapalle. Usually it takes about 3.5 hours. And so we just stopped to have some tea here in Madanapalle. So this is the end of Madanapalle. We have reached Madanapalle and we are exiting because our destination is Sanitorium, Shanthinagar. That's my native place where our house is there. So that's about 4 kilometers from here. So this side is completely Arogyavaram, that is Sanitorium. It was the world's best TB center in the 1950s. So this is called Sanitorium. It's mainly on TB. This is the gate of the Sanitorium. I wish I could have come the day. This is the gate, Sanitorium gate. So this is a very dangerous curve. Many people have died here. Accidents have happened. This particular curve, even I have met with an accident here once when I was in college. People believe there is some spirit over here. So a 3.5 hour journey, which was supposed to be, took us about 9 hours. Thanks to the rain and bad roads and directionless movement. Anyway, we are here. Thank you, God, for bringing us safely.